channel Mini Collections. So before starting our video, please to subscribe our channel, click on a bell icon below mentioned, and so that you don't miss any of our new videos. And as we discussed in our previous video, the roles and responsibilities of cabin crew and qualifications, age limit and job descriptions. So today we'll just start with the new things about cabin crew, like what are the benefits of being as a cabin crew. So cabin crews also have a benefits, like they will experience new places and they'll be visiting VVIPs like celebrities, popular actors or actor and politicians, and they'll be having free flight tickets, not for all the designations, a particular designations, and they'll be having if at all their family have any immediate designations, if they want to fly, they'll be having heavily discounted flight tickets, and they'll be having free accommodations, transportations, they'll be having international health insurance, and they'll be having duty-free products discounts also they'll be having. So these are few things where they'll be getting like benefits of being as a cabin crew. And second thing of salary package in the sense, it's not same for all the thing. For domestic airlines, basic package, basic slab, it will be like for 25,000 till 40,000. So either it will be like you stands over near 25,000 or till 40,000, depends on interview how you gonna perform it. So if at all you're going for international airlines, so your basic salary starts from 80,000 to 1 lakh. It may go till 1 lakh or 1.2. So it depends on you. And coming to interview, so interview process or interview rounds, it's not same for all the airlines. It's based on particular airlines. So when you get a call from particular airlines, just go through about that how many rounds. It usually be 2 to 5 rounds. Some airlines conduct 2 rounds, or some airlines may conduct 5 rounds till 5 or 6. So it depends completely. And when you get a call, you better ask them, do they have any particular dress code? If at all they say no, you better go in formals only, white shirt with a black pant and black tie. Everything should be like wow. And before one day, aram, so you can have a good sleep and eat nicely and exceptional with spicy or garlic involved food. And why I'm telling sleep nicely in the sense, if you go in front of interviewer and you start yawning, that doesn't make sense and that doesn't make a good impression on you. So better you can have a good sleep, and so that you don't feel panic or something like that. So, and be fluent when you're talking. It may be a Hindi, it may be English or Bengali, Telugu, Kannada, whatever it is. Be fluent in the language, because you have to maintain a particular pitch through the flow. If if something they're asking about, tell me something about your village or something, tell me something about your family and all, just go through with your pitch and your accent. And pronunciation is more important when you are going for international thing and all, because it's not that easy when you talk to the Indians and when you talk to the foreigners. The accent is more important when you are talking to the foreigners. So please maintain that pitch, flow and all. And when the interviewer asking you, tell me something about yourself, so then don't tell me about your whole story which has been written in your CV. Tell something which you are not written in CV. Like tell something about your interest, because what you have written in your CV, they can read it out. So don't explain the same thing. Tell your first name, not complete name. That makes some sense, short and sweet. So tell your name, age, place you are coming from, either maybe city, country, and tell something your interest and why should they hire you. What are the unique thing that you have compared to other of your friends or whatever it is. Tell, as I told you, being as a cabin crew, that they have benefits, like you can travel around the world, you can meet new people day to day, and you can tell that you are adaptable person to the environment or flexible to the environment, and you're a team player, and you're a good at communication, conveying a message to the passenger, handling you're like, tell that you are a diplomatic person so that I can handle difficult situations or problem solver. And if at all the person is asking why do you want to get into so and so airlines, like why do you want to join only in Indigo, why do you want to get into SpiceJet only, why do you want to get only in Emirates, like before one day, what that's what you have to do, a brief research about the airlines when it has been started, what are the designations, because when the interviewer asking some questions about their airlines, when you are not answerable to that, that doesn't make sense, and that doesn't make a good impression on you. So that you have to know about the designations, what are the how many designations they have, and how many how many pilots, and what is the ground handling, and what are the rating about that airlines. So is that affordable airlines or it is too costly, you have to mention it all these things, so that that makes sense and the interviewer may impress by your words. And as I told you, the posture when you get into the interviewer, like when you get into the cabin, just shake your hands, make a smile. And so always when they're asking some questions, you try to be answerable. It is not that, see, everybody is not perfect when they're born, so make some sense, use your brain, make it like don't make it too complicated, the situation. When something they are asked, try to be answerable to that question, whether it is wrong or right. And tell your all your possibilities of you, like all your good things in you. Try to don't don't tell your weaknesses much. And so these are all those things where you can impress the interviewer and you can clear it out. And for the girls, the thing which I forgot to tell, like if at all girls, which obviously everybody have a dream to get into the cabin crew. So when you're going for an interview, if at all if you have any kind of scars on your face or your hand, elbow or somewhere which is visible, just apply some concealer or some other thing and you can just go it up. So this doesn't that won't look that you can't see that concealer or something which it is completely mixed to your skin. So that is a bit advantage for you. So that's all for today. So and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share. If you have any kind of questions regarding the interview, or if you want to know in depth about any particular airlines or aviation lessons, you can just comment in the below, so that we'll just answer it out. And we are just coming up with new ideas, like not only for regarding to the education or airlines or some jobs only. We are just coming up new topics like foodies, people who are, even I'm a foodie, wow, I'll just feel it. So we are coming with some cookery shows, like funny gossips, what or it's like all over. We are just covering up. We hope that you like this video, and I wish you people will support us. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.